Hey, I'm Matias. I'm going to demonstrate how to install a Toast real wood cover on a Pixel 3 XL. So here we've got the Pixel 3, the XL, the large version, and then we've got our Toast cover. So we've got the main body cover here, and this is our ebony wood with a walnut shade inlay. We've also got our little button set that comes with that back cover, and then we have the optional front cover we're also going to be installing. Included in the packaging is an alcohol wipe for cleaning the phone so that you get a good bond of the Toast cover onto the phone. So we're just gonna open this up, give our phone a little wipe down here, and basically we're focusing more on just the sides. That's the part that really needs to stick well. So, and just cleaning it off with a rag here. Just want to get the grease of your fingers off of there, and it's also helpful to perhaps wash your hands before doing the install. So we're going to use our USB-C cable to help align the cover. So we're just going to plug that in here on the bottom. And for alignment, we're going to be aligning the camera lens, the microphone, the fingerprint reader hole, and then the bottom with that cable, just like that. So this is the shade inlay, so it's got multiple parts in there. So there's a few pieces in here pulling off that back paper. Just want to make sure that all the backing paper is off. And I've got tweezers here just because my nails are kind of short, but you can do that with your fingernails as well. So now I've got all the backing paper off. So we're gonna we'll lay this right over the camera lens, and it just kind of pops down there, and then I'm kind of looking how it lines up nicely with that fingerprint reader. And then on the bottom here with the USB, and I see that the gap is nice and even there. If I needed to, I could pop it off, shift it a little bit like that, but looking good. So we're just gonna unplug that, set to the side. And really the next step is just rolling all these sides on. So you can just take it, pressing it flat on the table, and roll that up. And you're just doing all four sides. Then we're just gonna put these corners back together. We're basically just pushing in the wood into the corners. You know, just so that the score lines line up nicely. We'll do that on all four of them. And then what we're going to want to do is just roll those corners on your table. Just that helps make the wood conform to the shape of the phone. So we just kind of press down with a little bit of force and just kind of work that corner around it. And that really helps the wood, you see, just take the shape of the phone there. And all those score lines, those intricate engineering score lines, allow the wood to flex and come together nicely to wrap those corners. And if you see an edge not sticking, you just give it a little bit of press. There you go, so that's all my corners on there. This one's not sticking, so just give it a little bit. And that adhesive is going to bond over a little bit of time. So there you go, so that's the main body there. And then we're going to grab our button set, and we're going to install those. So the easiest thing is just to peel off that backing paper and see how those buttons pop out. So the long one is your volume rocker. We'll just take that, peel off that backing paper. Where's the volume? There we go. Just give it a little bit of a press, make sure that sets. And the little guy is the power button, wake button. Again, we'll just give it a good press. And lastly, we have a little SIM card tray cover here. And that's on the bottom there, so I'm just gonna put that in there. And so lastly, we're going to install this front cover. This is a front panel, sort of screen surround. As these bezels get really tiny, the toast cover gets a little thinner on the edges, but adds a nice protection just so you can put your phone down without the glass hitting the table face down. Does add a bit of protection. You can put that over a screen protector if you do want that added protection of a like a glass screen protector or something on there. Basically, we're just gonna align it with the camera lens and stuff on the notch there, and kind of just fits in between the sides there. And then on the bottom, we've got that speaker. I'm just gonna get that to fit in there. Press that, and that's it. So there we go, fully toasted Pixel 3 XL.